Hey guys, welcome back to landdhome, and if you are new, welcome to our channel. Today we have another cleaning video for you, just some random spots in my house that I wanted to tackle. Here I'm showing you a basket, and we're going to start straight off with the tip since we jumped right in. One tip that I have is to use a basket as you're cleaning. It can be a smaller one like I'm using, or like a laundry basket. That way when you find something that doesn't go into the room that you are cleaning in, you can just plop it in that basket so you can take it to another room later. A lot of the times I find if I have something in a room and I'm like, ooh, wait, this goes in the kitchen, or this goes in the bedroom, this goes downstairs, and I run it to that space real quick, I get distracted while I'm in that space and I forget about what I was originally doing. So that's just a tip to start off today's video. And like I said, in today's video, we are just going to be cleaning pretty much the main level of the house. And the bathroom. So just some spots that needed to be tackled, those spots that we hang out in often and we see often because we're hanging out in the main level of our home. And obviously we are using that hall bathroom quite frequently because that is the guest bathroom and the kiddos bathroom. So I'm not doing any like crazy deep cleaning, but I am cleaning a little bit deeper than like I normally would if I was just like setting an hour timer or just kind of going over things and straightening up. So that is another tip or a suggestion that I wanted to make was don't just save your deep cleaning for like once or twice a year. Sometimes if you're looking at a space and you're like, wow, that really needs to be tackled, but that's like a deep cleaning item. I'm not doing the whole house today. Go ahead and tackle that item, because then when you actually do your spring cleaning or whatever time that you do your quote unquote spring cleaning, it won't be quite as messy and it won't be quite as hard to tackle. The item that I was showing you in my hand here, I absolutely love. I will have it linked down below. It is from Scrub Daddy, and it is actually like a dust sponge. It comes really hard, like hard as a rock. And once you get it wet, it kind of softens up, and it works great on dusty areas, collecting that dust better than a duster. But also better than a towel as well. So you don't have to dry dust and then wet wipe everything. You can just use that tool, that sponge tool that I was showing you from Scrub Daddy. I'm also going to be doing a slow vacuum. I obviously sped it up for the video, but a slow vacuum is just when you go very slow over your carpets to just pick up as much as you possibly can instead of doing that kind of rush vacuum that you usually do. I actually learned this from This Crazy Life, so if you have not watched their channel, which I'm sure so many people are watching because she is amazing and definitely way more popular than we are, and I adore her videos and I love her personality so much. So go check her out, This Crazy Life. That's where I learned about slow vacuuming, and I just love her channel, so just plug for her. But I'm also going to be tackling some other areas of the floor as well. I'm going to be doing some steam cleaning because while it looks really clean in here, this is a spot that our dog just cannot leave alone. We have a pit bull, and sometimes she just has some potty issues. She is not a really old dog, and she doesn't have anything medically wrong with her. And sometimes it just seems that no matter how much we let her out, she still potties in the house at times. I don't know if she has dirty dog syndrome or what's going on. She was a rescue. She was just kind of randomly roaming on the side of the road. around 4th of July time, and no one had claimed her, so we went ahead and kept her. But she likes to come over to this carpet in certain areas and do things she should not be doing. So while she has not like done this to the entire carpet, I decided since I was over here, I was just going to go ahead and clean the entire carpet because we do get a lot of foot traffic over here because we walk through this room often. So I wanted the whole carpet to be clean in this space, and I wanted it smelling nice and fresh. And by the way, I am still loving the steam cleaner. I've talked about it in previous videos, and I will have it linked down below. It is doing a great job. I'm also trying some of these new products that I haven't tried before, and after using them a few times since recording this video, I can say that I am really liking them, so I will also have those linked down below as well. They're working really well on the stains and on the odors. I always find the bathrooms to be one of my quickest cleans, and that is because usually when I clean the bathroom, I am not cleaning the showers. Our kid shower actually does not get that gross. Ours does because we get like water buildup. I don't think it's like draining properly, or we don't have a good slope on our ledge, something. I don't know what's happening, but I actually don't mind cleaning the bathroom sometimes because it's such a quick job. So I'm going to go ahead and just run through this bathroom cleaning real fast and get it nice and sparkling. Also, I did get a new toilet brush. It is a silicone one. It is from Amazon, and I have absolutely been loving that because it does not get gross or disgusting, and it cleans just as well. So I will have that product linked down below for you also. Now that the bathroom is all nice and clean, we're going to move to the main living space, our living room. And I do not often dust this room. I will say this room does get very dusty, especially on top of like the cube organizer that you see over here. But I don't often dust. Dusting is one of those things I actually just despise doing. Our house gets so dusty and I just hate doing it. But I do straighten up in this room a lot. If you've ever seen my shorter cleaning videos or my like power hour or set a timer, I do love to straighten up in this room because this is a room we see so often and spend so much time in. A quick straighten of like the pillows and covers, a quick vacuum, and a little spray of air freshener can really help a long way in a room that you're using a lot. But I am going to be going a little bit deeper today. Like I said, not deep cleaning. I'm not like, you know, doing the whole floor in here. I'm not getting the baseboards, but I am going to be like cleaning the slip cover and stuff like that. Just because I want to do a little bit more than I usually do to kind of spruce this room up, but not as much as I do when I'm doing like a deep spring cleaning sesh. I don't know if this is going to come across on camera, but this area right here is very, very dark. This was the main walkway when we had like the couch over here where our feet went, where our dogs laid, when we had the different living room set up. And I will have the video linked down below of how we switched our living room setup and what it used to look like if you're curious. So I am just tackling this off camera, and this is the dirty water dump, just going over this area one time. Now it's definitely not perfect, but I wanted to kind of just brighten it up a little bit because it was looking pretty gross. Next, I'm going to be using that same new product that I told you about. You're supposed to be able to spray this on the floor, and it's supposed to make your fabrics and things smell really nice. And like I said, it has been working. But I have decided that I don't love it in the spray bottle form. I love it more like cleaning in the steam cleaner, just because it seems like a bit too much to do with this whole spray bottle situation, and it doesn't saturate enough to really do any good. But as a steam cleaner, like carpet cleaner solution, it does work really well. And in case you were wondering, that was the one in the red bottle that I showed you earlier. So I use both of those bottles now, or both of those products now, strictly in the carpet cleaner and not as a spray thing like I'm doing here.
To blame when you're all out of chances and nothing is going your way. Let's just see how bad this gets. I'm 30 something now and everybody seems to have their shit together while I'm just passed out drunk and I can't even talk. I just wanna be 18 again. What's gonna weigh you down when all you do is hang out with your friends?
I am also still absolutely loving my Tineco. Even coming from somebody that does not have a lot of wood floors, I love it for like the hard floors, hard surfaces that I do have. It's absolutely amazing. I found mine on sale a while ago. They're usually typically expensive, but if you go ahead and save it to your cart, you can probably catch a sale. One thing I like to do in my sink, even though I hate bleach, you guys know I hate bleach, but I have been using this bleach cleaner and just spraying it in there, letting it sit, rinsing it out. I've been doing this lately because our sink is starting to look a little dingy, probably because I'm not taking care of it very well. It is not a sink problem. I will have the installation of this sink linked down below for you in case you're interested in or want to see that process. It is a me problem. I put hot stuff in there. I'm scratching it up. Like, I am just not careful. So it's getting kind of like color stained from the surface wearing off the top. This bleach spray is from Target. It's super inexpensive and it just kind of brightens up the sink a little bit. Even though if you know, I absolutely hate bleach, but I have been able to handle this bleach spray solely in the kitchen sink. I might be trying it in the bathtub in a different video, but I'll save that for a later time. And sadly, that was all I had time to clean on this day. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful or at least entertaining. Make sure you check out the video and the playlist on the screen. And as always, smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.